everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem sum of AP. So basically this is a direct question. If you know the formula for calculating the sum of arithmetic progression series, then you can easily solve this question. So let's see the formula first. So basically AP means arithmetic progression, okay? Arithmetic progression. Now basically its formula is n, okay? N multiply, okay? Now 2a means the first element, okay? N is total number of elements, plus n minus 1 d, okay? And this entire thing is divided by 2. So this is the formula that helps us in calculating the sum of an AP series. So basically we just need to directly apply it, okay? So once we just apply it, we can easily get the result in one line. So let's see how to do it. So what you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal, okay? In practice portal, in the filters section, you need to scroll down, okay? And in the difficulty section, you need to choose school, okay? After that, you need to find the problem sum of an AP, okay? Once you find it, you need to click on solve. So here is the question, let's read it. Given n, a and d as the number of terms, this is n is number of terms, a is first term and d is common difference, okay, respectively of an arithmetic series, find the sum of the series up to the nth term, okay, and we need to code it over here. So I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's code it. Now remember the answer should be in integer, okay? Basically an integer value. So let's do it. So I would just write return, okay? What am I returning? I am returning an integer value of what? n/2, okay? Then I need to multiply it, okay? Multiply it with what? I need to multiply it with, let's say 2 star a, okay? Then again a plus would come. Over here it would be n minus 1, okay? Then I need to write d over here, that is in multiplication, okay? Now to check if it is correct or not, I would click on compile and run, okay? So let's wait. Okay, the compilation is over and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem. 1 minute. Let's submit it. So the problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem sum of an AP. So I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.